In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the unidentified network problem you're getting on Windows 7 and you're not connected to any networks. So this could be very frustrating, or if you just have limited access, it doesn't really work how you want it to. So without further ado, let's jump into what should hopefully be a resolution for most of you guys. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time. You want to type in CMD. Best match should come back with CMD right underneath Programs. Right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Okay, so now in our elevated command prompt, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then you want to hit enter. Should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in ipconfig space /renew. Hit enter. Give this a second to run here. It will take a moment, so please be patient. Now that you have run that, you want to type in netsh space int space ip space reset. Hit enter. Should say restart the computer to complete this action. I'd recommend holding off on that for a moment. And the last thing you want to do is type in netsh space winsock space reset, exactly how it appears on my screen. You want to hit enter. It says successfully reset the winsock catalog. At this point, I'd recommend restarting your computer, and hopefully your unidentified network problem has been resolved. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.